First open Device Manager. Expand Universal Serial Bus Controller. Right-click USB Root Hub and click on Update Driver. Click on Search automatically for driver. Do the same to other. Now right-click on Generic USB Hub and click on Update Driver. Click on Browse My Computer for driver. Select it and click on Next. Do the same to other. Now close the windows and open Setting. In Search type Power and Sleep Setting. Click on Additional Power Setting. Click on Choose when to turn off the display. Click on Change Advanced Power Setting. Expand USB Setting. Expand USB Selective Suspend Setting. Select Disable and press Apply and then OK. Now restart and your problem should be fixed.